you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Cricut mystery box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived. This big old box just arrived to my door, and I'm so excited to get in here and see what is in here. I've done a few different mystery Cricut bundles for you guys before, and I really did enjoy them, and it's been a while, and I was thinking about it the other day. I'm like, I haven't seen any Cricut mysteries, and I haven't gone to look, but I'm like, let me see if there is one. So I went to their website and I just typed in mystery in the search, and this one came up, the Berry Awesome mystery box. And I saw it on there. It says it was $39.99. That is what I paid, but it said sold out, but then it said add to cart. And I'm like, I'm a little confused. I was already buying vinyl anyways. So I went ahead and put it to my cart. And when I went to cash out, it was still there. When it said my stuff is being shipped out, I got that. And that's what came today. So I don't know why it said sold out, but I was able to put it in my cart and I got it. So again, this was $39.99. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Holy moly. Ooh, I'm seeing some good stuff. All right. This right here, you guys, I love this thing. I have one of these already. This thing has saved me so much time in cutting straight lines with everything. I really, really, really love this. And it does have another piece that folds out to even go longer right here. It'll fold out. So I'm really, really glad that they put this in here. This is the portable trimmer, and it works amazing, you guys. And I have not even replaced the blade on mine yet, and I use that thing all the time. So I love this cutter, you guys. So let's go ahead and see which vinyls we have. So yay, glitter iron-on. And I've been looking for more of the white glitter iron-on, and they've been sold out in my local store. So I'm glad that it's in here. I have, looks like there's a few white and a few black. It's a multi-pack of the glitter iron-on. So you have the white and the black. Okay, so now we have is a foil iron-on, and this is in the color lilac. That is a very pretty, it's lilac, like a lavender color, and it's the foil. I like the foil ones too. I like all my vinyls. Then I'm glad that those are iron-on. So now here is a permanent matte, permanent vinyl, true brushed, and it looks like it's a neon watermelon in color. So there's that. So this one's a permanent, so it's not an iron-on, and it has a really neat design to it. I like this neon watermelon, is that what they're calling it? It's like a hot pink. But I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, there are little lines on the actual finish. There's little lines on there. So that's really cool. And these are all really good colors. So maybe hence berry. I don't know. And I was thinking it was all gonna be like pinks and reds with berry. So I'm really, really surprised. This is Sugar Berry Sampler. This is an everyday iron-on as well. So thank goodness. And it looks like there's like a mauve color, a lavender, and a white. I love iron-on. So anytime I'm seeing iron-on, I'm so excited. So here's a faux leather, and it says faux leather, one sheet. And yeah, so it's just leather, faux leather. So there is that without the clear plastic on it. So it's just a thin type material. Okay, so the next thing is a deluxe paper, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, really pretty with all those colors. Let's see. Okay, so these should be front and back. Yes, so front and back. Here's the next design. And there's that. So that's some really nice paper and all different pretty colors. And then we have as a deluxe paper, it's this one with all these colors. Here's the back. So let's see what this one looks like. So front, that's really pretty. Back is all purple. This one's lavender with like a green in the back. There's that with that color green in the back. There's that one, and there's the back. There's that. And that's the last one right there. So you have 2 sets of different paper with all different types of stuff in there, and that's really pretty. And then the last item is this right here. It's a light grip. I don't have a light grip in the long. I think it's either the standard or the strong grip. So that's really cool that now I have a light grip because I didn't have one in that size. So that is everything that came in this mystery box, you guys. It was $39.99. We got the light grip, the 12 by 24. We have 2 different things of paper. We have 5 different vinyl rolls. Sorry. We have 5 different rolls. Most of them are iron-on, 1 permanent and 1 faux leather. And then my Easy Guide little cutter upper that I use all the time. So I'm really loving this mystery box. I'm so glad that it just dawned on me to go and look to see if they had another one. And I'm glad that I got it because all of these items I definitely will use. So you guys, let me know, have you got any of the mystery boxes from Cricut before? Let me know down below. I love anything to do with my Cricut. I love learning more and more, getting more and more things just because skies are the limit with that Cricut maker. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. I'm so glad that I got this yet again. It's just, this is really good. This is a really good one. So I'm gonna keep a lookout for more mystery boxes because I guess they have them quite often, but I just have to go find them. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you do want to go check out Cricut, I do have them linked down below. You can follow that link and check out their website and see what they have. They always have really good sales from time to time. I am loving this. I think this is my favorite mystery box that I've gotten from Cricut so far. So a few times I've gotten things that are not from my machine, or they're different like characters or something like that, or just colors that are not, but this one, everything in here I will definitely use. So that's awesome. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.